We're ready. Are you ready too?
Yeah.
Can you hold that for a second? My pants are in the wrong direction.
It's so tight. This.
It is so tight. Yeah.
It's hot. Sweat.
What will be when we start? But listen, maybe when we start, it's going to be
yeah, refreshing. But
refreshing.
I think we drive now with car.
Yeah, let's go, guys. So we're gonna be driving, but I'm really hopeful that the internet is gonna be fine. Let's just hope for the best. Oh, okay, let's go.
Guys, just put we need to put the helmets.
Okay. Now we put the helmets.
Obligatory safety reasons.
Sure thing.
Not for the jeep, but for the water.
Okay.
More safe with the helmet because the river have some rocks.
Okay.
So we can actually. Do you have a big brain?
Not really.
Just a big head, medium, small head.
Not really.
Okay.
I would say it's small.
Okay. So
Okay.
Can I do a water bottle?
this is for you, one per person.
Thank you.
So I remember the logistic will start here. We'll go
Yeah.
to the car to another place hub to
Yeah.
visit a village, traditional
Yeah.
village, and after we will down the river to finish here. I think that in 2 hours we can come back, but if you need more time to stop in some places, feel free. Okay?
Okay.
So up to the car. Be careful. It's dangerous because we have a hire in the top, but we have helmets.
Yes, perfect. Okay.
Oh.
Yo, what's poppin'? We might. The person said that here who is working. He said that 90% of the river
Guys, look
has
to the
internet.
picture.
Oh, we're taking a picture.
Super photo. Oh, fantastic.
Fantastic. Thank
Nice,
you.
Thank you.
Are you
Very
excited?
much. Yeah.
I'm scared though.
I am.
How do you think in mobbling can we connect more than three?
Yeah, it's possible, but I don't know what how.
Okay, get connected to my this thing. Maybe it's gonna work right away. They're just the other people as well, but this is our rafts and boats and everything that we've got. Look how we're going. I just find this so scary.
We have a lot of cars here. This is the thing you get to the office.
Cool secret event. Yeah, I hope that we're going down the river valley, guys, so it's really gonna be tough. They're explaining something about the river. I don't know what. Yeah, we have not each of us has to yet, but some of the couple. Look how I write.
Water. This one is the barber. And this river, normal animal, this bridge and the others. The other. It's difficult to find in this activity, but sometimes it's the party choice.
We are going right now. He is just walking up. I don't know how long it's gonna take. Maybe like 10 minutes to reach up the destination. It is 20 minutes. What? Oh my God.
Maybe not. I don't know.
Hey, but yeah.
I don't listen.
We're bullshit. I'm way too tired. I'm exhausted a little bit, but that's okay. That's fine. Bumpy ride is not ideal for nothing. Oh, there's the passage right there to go on top of the mountain. To go over the highest bridge.
We have 41 geosites, and here I will talk about one geosite. This is the fiber gulch that start here, because if you look to the right, you'll find a big valley. You can very short. Yes, easy to do in help. This is great. But when you go to the other side, your valley is very different. It's a much more narrow because we have a new kind of rock here, the granite. It's harder. For this reason, the valley is much more narrow, much more closer. Yeah, different kind of rock, different landscape. Então, a garganta do Paiva passamos de vale aberto para vale fechado do granito. These people will do one activity of canyoning. In the summer, the summer activities in this region is the canoe rafting, tubing rafting, and the canyoning. Canyoning.
I didn't listen to it. I was waiting for you to tell me what he's going to say.
He says something about the mountains. That's scary. I'm too low energy to listen Spanish.
Low cortisol?
No, not low cortisol, high cortisol.
Oh no.
Yeah.
I think I do have that too.
High cortisol. And you have to...
It's for sleep.
You have to tongue out for 40 seconds.
So, in summer we have sometimes problems with the fire.
I feel like you're lying.
Oh, it's true. It's really true.
Is it actually for
Yeah,
real?
yeah.
Okay.
You can ask Chat. Chat, stimmt das, wenn the time is out in 40 seconds, cortisol goes down? It's true, right?
Sometimes this
Yes.
is weird. You just make them say that.
Oh,
Yes. Yes. But you can read that in the internet and see if that works.
so yeah, shit.
Yeah, a little bit. In some areas, when we drive, like in some areas, they're kind of bad, but sometimes they're bad.
Sticking your tongue out for 40 seconds is viral versus Chat meant to relieve tension and calm the nervous system.
Oh, it's actually real. I didn't know that. Look how cool it looks on the back. Yuppie! Yuppie! I'm surprised we made it.
I was earlier than you. That is crazy.
What?
I was here before you.
Yeah, but because I have a car that is parked
Oh
there.
yeah, it's no problem.
You know,
but it's
so-
rare that I am.
Yes, you're waiting for me. He was waiting for me.
But
Early.
3 minutes.
No, but you're right earlier. You know, you could have slept this out that
You said 9:45. 50. No,
Yes.
you said 9:45.
okay, whatever that's right. Anyways, no, it's not paddle for us. We're gonna go in these like floated kayaks right here. That's you look so handsome too. Oh my goodness. Oh, we're getting all four of them, I think, or no. Goes great.
You have something on your face? Okay. You're going to be fucked.
I have sunscreen in the car, but I forgot it. Like, it's in the car, but I didn't take it with me right now. GG's. GG's. I have, like, a couple of bananas in my car, so we can have a snack later.
Yeah, which bananas?
Like, yellow and yellow banana.
Okay.
Abbruch is ours.
Okay.
You know, so this is what I have. And also, I have apples, and I have, that's it. I don't even have yet.
Banana and apples.
Yes. We're going to have banana and apples and all of these stuff. He protects me as he can.
What?
It says Hugo protects you. Hold on tight. I have no handle, unfortunately, to hold. The only
Guys, this is eucalyptus. We will talk eucalyptus. Just paper that you can use in the garden in the region. It's soft, fresh, and leaves a special smell.
oh,
The full leaves, because the size is different, it's not sour.
it smells good.
Use this infusion.
Oh, try to like scratch it. When you scratch it, you open and scratch down. Scratch it, the roll. Scratch it like this.
Okay. And we can just like grab it. Very fast to grow that.
Very good. Can you
Guys, that's the outfit, not be silly.
Okay, perfect. It's that is the eucalyptus lips. But that is Portugal.
The top. The piece of the trunk, the factory use of white paper. The test paper, instead of white paper, office paper. In our mouth, that's sweet.
Eucalyptus. No.
Okay, okay.
This smells.
Okay, just, okay.
You want to? You can.
Yes.
Shake me. Yeah, that's one.
Okay, thank you. Grazie mille. I think we're back.
Yeah? I have no idea.
Oh, that is back. You know, oh, look at the back. The views are cool though. The views are okay, I would say. Did you know that there are some plants that are pyro plants, the one that they set themselves on fire?
What?
Like there is a plant that set itself on fire.
Oh.
For the, because it gets like, there are some oils in it that it gets on fire either. And when the sun is too hot, it just sets itself on fire and then it burns down the... No, I'm not sure if it's fit to be anywhere. Is it safe? I don't think it is, but we're fine with it anyway. How has everyone's World Cup experience been? Pretty good. Did you two go into the bushes yesterday? No. No, we didn't.
We didn't.
We didn't. Okay?
Here we have a lot of selling.
90% of people, 90% of people make it back safe. 90% of
Well, like, you see the circular wall? Saying that this wall was to protect the local production of honey from wild animals that love honey.
Oh, there is.
You know what is the wild animal that love honey? Qual animal caramel?
Bears?
Bears. So in this region, up to 200 years ago, we had the gray bears.
Yeah, that's true.
Are they not here anymore?
Just people.
Oh. People? You know, we're not going to park like, we're going to like the river. We're gonna swim in the river. And the dude said 90% of the time there is Wi-Fi or internet, I mean, no.
He's trolling you.
Huh?
He's trolling you.
You think?
Yeah.
That's okay though, I guess. That's fine. We're good now. For example, oh, the car's coming. Another car. You see people leave here. There's a car coming. Let's see.
I think they're also going to kayak.
Maybe they are.
Yeah, man.
No, I think they're just traveling around, exploring the area. Yeah, no. There's a couple of three ladies, a wife, a woman, a man, and the kid, and another kid, and us.
Yeah. Good. You're still there with this tree?
Yes.
Yeah?
It is kind of like working. Sometimes it gets old, but sometimes it works. You know, we used to have bears. I think there was a couple of bears. The only thing that you have
Bears
to
or deers?
bears. Recently, somebody caught bears recently on camera on Portugal. But the funny thing is, in Portugal there is like only like a few things that are dangerous. That's like a wild boar. Do you know what the boar is?
Oh, no.
Like a pig, but the
Wild pig?
yes. So wild.
Wildschwein.
What's her?
Wildschwein.
Yes, the wild pig, and then another one. I think it's a snake.
Snake? Yeah, snakes.
Yeah, just one is venomous, but the rest of them are pretty nice.
I hate snakes.
How can you hate snakes?
No, because
They're so cute.
No, they're not cute.
There's torture.
All animals in this area. We have wild pig, we have explore the village of Paradinha. It's a very traditional village of Portugal. It was a place where lived a lot of people, but now we don't have more people living here.
Why?
Because the signal of internet is low,
Yeah.
because we don't have a market, we don't have cafes, nothing. The people go out to the cities. But we have the reconstructions of the houses for tourism accommodation. So in the summer we have people in the houses. In the winter we don't have people here.
Yeah, you see, it's like village.
Yeah.
Sometimes-
Well, yeah. We have some bit. So
A
I
small-
will take a picture of
Okay.
your group if you want.
Sure thing.
Are we a group?
No. Yes.
We had a lot of people living here because the people 200, 100 years ago had everything that need to survive. Fertile soils, can take fishes in the river. We have specific jobs, for example, the man of the boat that across the people in the winter to the market. But now the people go to the next generations go out of this place, and now we don't have more people living here.
Yeah.
So, before of the activity, I will down with Ricardo to the logistic to add just the pressure of the kayaks. At the same time, you can down for this road, and you can take your time in the village to explore everything. Okay? After, you will down to the unique road to the river to find us.
This is the old Portuguese
understand?
village.
Okay.
Easy.
I will see you.
Okay.
Okay.
This way.
Come on,
There's a little. There was the only place right there that internet works. I thought about just standing
Yeah?
here for some time. I think so. Yeah. I don't know if I just think if we go further inside the deep of the forest, it's not gonna work. So let's just wait here.
I
Or
can
here.
go there and watch if there's internet.
Okay, we can explore it anyway.
Okay.
You know, for the sake of exploration. It works.
Maybe there's a Starlink and someone is living there, you know.
I highly doubt that. But there is a small bit of possibility at the same time. But you know, sometimes it works. Sometimes when we're closer to the skies.
I think now when we go, okay,
Yeah.
maybe we have to stay there because now when we go low, there's no
No, look, we're almost there. We're almost at 2. Yeah. We can pretend that we're watching the village and then just don't go there. Do you want to see the village?
No, when there's no internet, then no.
Then no, I guess. Okay. You see how the life of a streamer is when there is no internet?
Yeah,
We are
yeah.
not exploring anything at all. Do you have your internet? Mine is kind of working.
Chat, könnt ihr kurz reinschreiben? I don't know, it's my sometimes it lags, sometimes not.
Okay, got it.
very-
Oh, we have 3,000 bitrate.
Yeah,
Let's
then
go.
we can
High
go-
five. No, I think if we just step a little bit further, it's not really gonna work at all.
Okay,
I don't
now
know.
I
I
have
just feel
internet,
like you do.
yeah.
Maybe in the village they do have it. And they pull it up in the village just for the villagers out there. Just explore, guys. Let's go exploring.
There we go there.
Yes, and if something, you know, they're gonna wait, and if not, no.
Okay.
Oh, my bad.
But you have to say if the internet is gone, chat.
No, it's you don't have. They don't have to. I see it.
No, I don't see it.
I'm gonna tell you when it's.
Okay.
Why do I listen? I think at this point in life, it's for you.
Thank you.
Welcome. Get yourself a flower. Get your. Oh my God, my feet are really like white. It's okay. We're gonna get just this area that is suck ass. The rest should be okay. I think. Here we are. We are back.
Yeah?
Yes. We can just stay here.
Kannst du
For the-
Fortnite spielen?
Here, we can just stay here.
Someone asked
Where's-
if I can play Fortnite.
Right now?
Yeah.
Why would you play
I don't
Fortnite
know.
right now?
I don't know.
It is a little strange. What is the weirdest thing that somebody asked you? Yeah, on the stream.
There's
Let's
many
get it.
things that are weird.
Like, what is the weirdest thing?
I don't know what's the weirdest thing.
Try to think.
Yoo-hoo.
You?
No, yoo-hoo. I said yoo-hoo because of the guy. Sorry.
Of what guy?
You didn't hear?
No.
He said yoo-hoo.
Oh, I did not hear that, no. Unfortunately.
Yeah, I think like show your cock or something. I don't know.
Have you ever by accidentally, like, flashed on stream?
Not visually, but the when it's like compressed with the, you know,
What?
I had just underwear and then my towel slipped and they saw the print. Yeah.
Is that a clip?
No.
Okay. Okay.
What was the weirdest?
Oh, they always ask me some weird shit.
Yeah, it's hard.
So, yeah, it's hard to tell.
Yeah.
It's hard to pick the one when all kind of like sometimes are kind of weird questions. Anyways, let's get a little even closer right there to the top right here.
My heart rate is 100. It's too hot. I don't. You hit me? No.
No, I don't think so. But I was supposed to too. Hey, no.
Yeah.
Wait, I have the thing. I have a lot of stuff. You can't hit me like that.
It's okay. I
Not
don't
this
do
time.
it.
Yeah, I do stream in English, guys, y'all. So it's fine.
We walk here with the stuff because we're going to kayak.
Yes, we're
But
going
now
to
we
kayak.
have to look a village.
Yes, because they're unloading their kayaks into the water. That's not a bad idea. I want it too. You think it's good idea just to sleep like that?
You have your life vest. It's like a mattress.
For real?
Yeah.
It's a little sunny.
Yeah.
I guess it's not really that nice. Oh wait, we should have saved the water. I should have saved the water for drinking later. Because I don't have water myself. Okay, no, we actually we partied yesterday. So and
What?
because we partied yesterday, it's tough right now. Do you understand?
Yeah.
It is kind of tough. So we're right now currently in Portugal, somewhere around.
My Uber driver says it's very beautiful here.
Yeah, I guess so. I guess so. I think it's pretty nice in here. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna get up because it's way too hot to stay like this. Is it not hot for you when you lay down like that? Yeah, you also have this like hydro costume, so it's even like hotter, I think, inside of it. You must be sweating underneath.
Yeah.
You're like that anime cosplay girl that is full of latex, you know?
Oh, hell no.
Have you seen the videos of them
Yeah.
sweating? They like have rivers underneath. You know, it's
Do you think
crazy.
some people want to drink the sweat?
Yeah, I think so. I think so. Somebody's coming with a
It is
very
here.
bad brakes. Don't stay too much under the sun. Yeah, we can't really like. I think sun is gonna
Bro, I get
heat us.
My skin is so red.
My skinhead.
No. my skin turns red today,
Okay,
but just the hands and my face.
that's okay. They're covered. I think that's not really okay. Look at guys, my shoes. What do you think about them?
They are better than my shoes that I bought.
Yeah.
Yeah, that I bought, it was really shit.
Okay.
Like the transparent.
But
shoes.
why are they shit though? I think they're pretty cute.
Yeah, but you see my feet there.
Yeah, I'm very stylish today. It is not mine. It's the
My
ones
shoes
that
are actually sick.
yours.
Yeah, here.
They kind of look like your style.
What?
That's something you would wear.
No.
Yes.
Skinny blacker?
No. I mean
Just the shoes.
the shoes.
Yeah,
Just the shoes.
I had like when I was 15, I had shoes like this.
Look at where my listen. Look. Do you know where my toe is?
Oh yeah. Oh. Oh my god.
It's a little big to me, I think. A little big. Go barefoot. Yeah. It is healthy, in fact, to go barefoot.
But not in the water because there are
Rocks.
sharp stones.
That's true.
Yeah. I'm so sweaty.
Me
my
too.
God.
I'm so cold.
Das ist so ekelhaft gerade. Oh.
I cannot wait to jump in the water.
Yeah.
Are you excited to be wet?
I'm excited because I'm not cold, but you
Yeah,
are cold. When
that's
you go in the
okay.
water.
He said that I'm gonna get cold because of my outfit that I'm wearing today. And I'm just wearing the, I have my Adidas pants. I have just a long sleeve and nothing else actually. Oh, actually, I brought a lot of different vitamins with me, so you can take if you want.
Yeah.
Yeah, different
And
kinds.
we have to eat today.
Eat what?
Just eat.
It's fine. We can try to eat something
'Cause yesterday-
eventually. Uh-oh. Even the phone a little bit overheated. You can give this, and I'm gonna get in the shadow now. I mean, but it didn't turn off. It's just
Yeah,
saying
sure,
that.
But the sale 7.
Oh no, it just keeps getting off and on every time. Okay, let's go. Maybe a little. It's so hard to understand because like right here that works, but then it doesn't. But then it does. But then it doesn't. Okay.
Okay.
Oh wait, maybe they're waiting for us.
Oh my god, he said we have to go there. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. He explained me everything and I forgot. Oh my
Bro, what if they're fucking waiting for us and we're just... You think we have to go this way?
Yeah, he said go to the village and then there's a street that goes down there. Oh shit.
Fuck.
Or maybe we can go there?
I am not sure.
They are also going there. I think that's better because there's also internet.
You think?
Yeah, they are also this way, right?
I am not sure.
But maybe they drove.
I think they could have drove. They just let us go. And maybe, I think we're getting not really to the river. Hugo, I think we're fucked.
Yeah, then. Okay, you are IGL. You have to say, what are we doing?
I don't know. I really don't know. I thought you were listening to the dude.
Yeah, he said we have to go this way.
Yeah, but there is like nothing right now.
Oh, shit.
But we have to go all the way back.
We have to go back.
I guess so.
Oh my god.
Fucking hell. What the fuck?
I'm so... Oh my god.
They left us behind.
What?
They left us behind.
Yeah.
Okay, then I guess what it is. Let's go faster. And then, what if they already gone into the kayaks? That would be insane. Bro,
Fuck.
we're like idiots. We're waiting here. We should have just like walked like everyone else. It's so dumb. It's so dumb. But it is okay, I guess.